Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today's tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to do the shoulder roll tap. But before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming up from me, you will get notified. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. So one move that you need to master is the transitions from your back to your shoulder. If you can master that, then the rest is very easy to follow. Alright, so this is how it looks from your back to your shoulder freeze. Alright, right leg swing up and left leg down. Alright, this one is very simple compared to doing the normal back to shoulder where your feet is not touching the ground. This is so much easier. After you master the transitions from your back to your shoulder freeze, now it's time to go to the shoulder roll tap. And the key to learn this move is just focus on one of your legs. The leg that I always focus while I'm doing this move is my right leg, which is the momentum leg. Alright, this leg is the one that bring my body up, and from there you just have to focus this because this leg is the main leg that will do all the transitions. Now for the tips and tricks, while doing this move, you get the momentum already. It's time to add up more momentum by using your upper body to swing left and right. So while I'm swinging my right leg up to the shoulder, you can see that I'm using my upper body to swing up. Alright, you're not going to stop right there because you're going to continue using your upper body as a momentum beside your right leg to do the whole movement, to do the whole continuous move. So now, start from the basic. Right leg swing up and then go to the shoulder freeze by placing your left foot on the ground. From here we're gonna start to continue to the shoulder tap, which is now your left foot is on the ground. You're gonna bring your head inward to where your left foot is and then place your body back down like this. So this is why I said at first the only focus leg is your right leg, because the right leg is always straight there, it's always not touching the ground. Alright, so focus on this leg and your left leg is there to touching the ground or to do the tap. Okay, now from here we're going to do all the things over again. Right leg swing up, left foot on the ground. Alright, bring your head in, right leg straight, left leg or left foot touching the ground. Now just continue doing all the movement together. Tap, swing, tap, swing, tap. As you can see yourself, by adding the continuous movement onto this move, it looks like you are doing power move. Okay, so now all you have to do is just edit this into your set. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you like this video, share it, and I'll see you guys next time.